Imagine a digital world where trust is built into every transaction. This is the promise of blockchain, a revolutionary technology transforming how we exchange value. Blockchain is like a digital ledger that records transactions in a secure and transparent way. It's like a shared database everyone can see, but no one can tamper with. Each transaction is grouped with others into blocks and added to the chain. This makes it incredibly secure and difficult to alter. Blockchain's core features, like decentralization and immutability, are transforming finance by increasing transparency and security. This technology paves the way for a more efficient and trustworthy financial system. The video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial advice. Do your own research and do not invest more than what you can afford to lose. Blockchain is already changing how we handle money and financial assets. One prominent example is cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. These digital currencies use blockchain to enable secure and transparent transactions without intermediaries like banks. But blockchain's applications in finance go far beyond cryptocurrencies. It's being used for various purposes, including streamlining cross-border payments, improving the efficiency of supply chains, and reducing fraud in financial transactions. For example, some companies are utilizing blockchain to track the movement of goods and products across borders, ensuring transparency and reducing the risk of counterfeit items. As blockchain technology evolves, we can expect even more innovative applications in finance. Major financial institutions are increasingly recognizing blockchain's potential. Banks and investment firms are investing heavily in blockchain technology to explore its capabilities and develop new products and services. This institutional adoption is driven by the desire to reduce costs, enhance security, and improve customer experience. By streamlining processes and reducing reliance on intermediaries, blockchain can make financial services more efficient and affordable. As more institutions embrace blockchain, we see a gradual shift from traditional financial systems to more decentralized and transparent models. This shift has the potential to democratize finance and make it more accessible to everyone. Governments and regulatory bodies worldwide are grappling with the implications of blockchain technology. They are working on establishing clear frameworks to foster innovation while mitigating potential risks associated with this emerging technology. Some countries are taking a proactive approach by developing regulations that encourage blockchain adoption. Others are taking a more cautious stance, focusing on investor protection and preventing illicit activities. The evolving regulatory landscape will play a crucial role in shaping the future of blockchain in finance. Clear and balanced regulations will be essential to fostering innovation, building trust, and unlocking blockchain's full potential. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is reshaping traditional systems. One of the most exciting developments in blockchain-driven finance is DeFi. This emerging ecosystem aims to recreate traditional financial services like lending, borrowing, and trading on a decentralized blockchain-based platform. DeFi platforms operate autonomously using smart contracts, eliminating intermediaries like banks. This can lead to faster transactions, lower fees, and greater financial inclusion for individuals and businesses that lack access to traditional financial services. While still in its early stages, DeFi is rapidly evolving and has the potential to revolutionize how we think about and interact with financial systems. As DeFi matures, it could challenge the role of traditional financial institutions, cross-border transactions, breaking down barriers. Blockchain technology holds immense promise for streamlining cross-border payments, which are often slow, expensive, and complex. Traditional methods involve multiple banks and intermediaries, each adding their own fees and delays. By eliminating intermediaries and enabling faster settlement times, blockchain can significantly reduce the cost and friction of sending money across borders. This technology allows for near instantaneous transactions, which can be a game changer for global commerce. This is particularly impactful for migrant workers who send remittances to their families in their home countries. These workers often face high fees and long wait times, which can be a significant burden. Blockchain-based solutions can help them send money more efficiently, ensuring that more of their hard-earned money reaches their loved ones. This not only improves their financial well-being, but also supports the economies of their home countries. As blockchain-powered payment systems gain traction, They have the potential to create a more inclusive and interconnected global financial system. This technology can bridge the gap between different financial institutions and systems, making it easier for everyone to participate in the global economy. This will facilitate faster and cheaper cross-border commerce and personal transactions. Businesses can expand their reach, and individuals can connect with loved ones more easily, breaking down barriers that have long hindered global financial integration. AI and blockchain, a powerful synergy. The convergence of artificial intelligence and blockchain technology presents exciting possibilities for the future of finance. Combining AI's analytical capabilities with blockchain's security and transparency can create more robust and efficient financial systems. For example, AI can be used to analyze vast amounts of blockchain data to detect fraudulent transactions, assess creditworthiness, and personalize financial advice. This synergy can lead to a more secure, transparent, and personalized financial experience for individuals and businesses. As AI and blockchain technologies continue to evolve, their collaboration will unlock new possibilities for innovation in finance, leading to more intelligent, efficient, and inclusive financial systems. The future of global finance, a transformed landscape. The future of global finance is being shaped by blockchain technology. This revolutionary technology is not just a trend, but a fundamental shift in how financial systems operate. Blockchain's decentralized nature ensures that transactions are secure, transparent, and immutable, which is a significant departure from traditional financial systems. As blockchain adoption grows and regulatory landscapes adapt, we can expect significant changes in how we manage and interact with money. Governments and financial institutions worldwide are beginning to recognize the potential of blockchain, leading to a more robust and secure financial ecosystem. This shift will likely result in new regulations that support innovation while ensuring consumer protection. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, will likely gain more traction, offering alternative financial services that are more accessible, affordable, and transparent. DeFi platforms enable users to lend, borrow, and trade assets without intermediaries, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. This democratization of finance could empower individuals and small businesses, providing them with opportunities previously unavailable. Cross-border payments will become faster, cheaper, and more efficient, fostering greater financial inclusion and global commerce. The elimination of intermediaries and the use of digital currencies can significantly reduce transaction times and costs, making it easier for people and businesses to engage in international trade. The collaboration between AI and blockchain will drive further innovation, leading to more intelligent and personalized financial services. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to provide insights and predictions, while blockchain ensures the security and transparency of these transactions. This synergy could lead to the development of new financial products and services that are tailored to individual needs. While challenges and uncertainties remain, the future of global finance with blockchain appears bright, promising a more efficient, inclusive, and trustworthy financial system. The ongoing advancements in technology and the increasing acceptance of blockchain by mainstream institutions suggest that we are on the brink of a financial revolution. This transformed landscape holds the potential to create a more equitable and prosperous world for all. Blockchain versus traditional banking, a paradigm shift. The rise of blockchain technology has sparked widespread discussions about its potential to disrupt traditional banking systems. This revolutionary technology, known for its decentralized and transparent nature, promises to bring significant changes to the way financial transactions are conducted. While blockchain offers numerous advantages, such as increased security, reduced transaction costs, and faster processing times, it's unlikely to replace traditional banking entirely in the near future. Traditional banks have been the backbone of the financial system for centuries, providing a wide range of services that blockchain alone cannot fully replicate at this stage. Instead, we are likely to see a hybrid model where blockchain technology complements and coexists with existing financial systems. This hybrid approach allows for the best of both worlds, leveraging the strengths of blockchain while maintaining the stability and trust associated with traditional banking. Banks and financial institutions will adapt and integrate blockchain to enhance their services and remain competitive in an evolving market. By incorporating blockchain, they can offer more efficient and secure services, attracting a new generation of tech-savvy customers. The key question is not whether blockchain will replace banks, but how it will reshape the financial landscape and how traditional institutions will adapt to this technological evolution. Financial experts are already exploring various ways to integrate blockchain into existing frameworks, ensuring a smooth transition and maximizing the benefits of this technology. One thing is certain: blockchain is a transformative force in global finance, and its impact will be profound in the years to come. As we move forward, the collaboration between blockchain innovators and traditional financial institutions will be crucial in shaping the future of finance, creating a more efficient, secure, and inclusive financial ecosystem for everyone. Thank you for watching our channel. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. Stay tuned for our next video.